Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Welcome to EDM 701 Educational Leadership for International Context. Now for this course, you will be using this textbook, Educational Administration 9th edition by Miskell and Hoy. There are 14 chapters altogether in this textbook. Now students will be assigned with their respective chapters for their group presentation by their instructor soon. Now let's look into chapter 1, the school as a social system. Okay, for a chapter preview, there are few key components that students need to learn and grasp from this chapter. Firstly, it's about organizational theory. So, organizational theory is a set of interrelated concepts, definitions, and generalizations that systematically describes and explains patterns of regularities in organizational life. Now, you need to understand that school is an organization. Therefore, before comprehending dive into school as a social system, you will need to understand the organizational theory first. Now, under this subtopic, you will need to comprehend the functions of theory. Now, we need to understand that the function of theory is to explain, to guide research, to generate new knowledge, and to guide practice. How does theory inform practice? There are three ways. First, forms a frame of reference. Next, provides a general model for analysis. And lastly, guides reflective decision making. Next, in this chapter, there will be about evolution of organizational thoughts and theory. And these are viewed in three competing systems perspective: rational, natural, and open. Now, students need to define and understand these three perspectives: rational systems perspective, natural systems perspective, and also open systems perspective. Next, you will dive into detail on schools as an open social systems. And there are 5 elements in these particular systems. First one is the structural, next the individual, next the cultural, the political, and also the pedagogical. Within this topic as well, you will need to understand the elements of teaching and learning, the organizational behavior, and also the complex process in teaching and learning. And there are 3 different perspectives: behavioral, cognitive, and constructivist. And next, we will also learn about environments, which is the critical aspect of organizational life that provides resource for the systems and provides additional constraints and opportunity. Now, students can start their presentation by dividing subtopics, understanding each subtopic, and you can start as suggested here. Your slide can start with 1.0 organizational theory. Students need to list down, students will need to give definition, example, and also maybe real life scenario from school. For example, for this under subtopic, you will need to list down elements of theory, purposes of theory, hypothesis, scientific knowledge, and purpose of science. And everything here you can refer to this textbook, and everything is there. And that's the end of chapter 1 short preview. Thank you and see you in the next chapter.